Yo, I hope you guys love this video, bro. Nighttime POV with the Lambo, that's the move, bro. Ocean, oh my gosh. Yo, since I'm in downtown, literally, this is mid-car meet video. I'm in downtown LA, so might as well do a nighttime POV in downtown LA. This is not like the best street to show off LA, but I think it's a good street. Look, we got the Lambo behind us. Let's go. Let's go. So might as well do a little POV, you know what I mean? Let me open my valves up, make sure all my valves are open. Make sure I'm in the right mode. I'm pretty sure we're on the right street. Yep. Jeez, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna plug in my phone so I know where the frick I'm going right now. Yeah, I got the Lambo behind us. We're about to go to Beverly Hills, dude. Why is my exhaust so quiet? I'm gonna roll down everything since everything's such close quarters. Here's your nighttime POV, boys. Here's your nighttime POV. Lambo's literally directly behind us. This is the vibes, dude. This is the vibe. But it's been a lot of standstills. Nothing too crazy going on right now. I have to cut this video up a lot because since everything is going so slow. Here's downtown, boys. Here's downtown. Vibes. Vibes. Look at that, dude. Twin turbo Lambo. Let's go. I'm gonna go behind him. Let's go. Yo. Oh, yo, we're literally in the hotspot of LA. Look at that. We're in downtown LA, boys. We're in downtown LA. Downtown LA, boys. Where's this guy going? This is the bus lane. He's gonna take the bus lane for real? Hilarious, bro. Vibes, bro. Vibes. That's the biggest tower in LA right here, boys. Here's your downtown POV with a bunch of dope cars, bro. I got a Supra behind me. Vibes, bro. Oh, I'm so excited to upload this, bro. This is literally mid-car meet video. Well, it's not even car meet. It's actually like, I'm gonna name the next video that you're gonna see before this one. It's gonna be Redeye versus 3 McLaren 720Ss, because that's somewhat what happened. Sadly, we missed them on the freeway. It's the only thing that's really sucky, but it is what it is. See, that's the problem with downtown LA. There's not really like, there's too much, I don't know what's going on, but there's a lot of traffic. A lot of traffic right now. But the vibes here. The vibes. I think the last time I was in downtown LA was probably, bro, like months, dude. I'm going to see back more, so I'm gonna do this so you guys can see it better. Nah, I still need 2.5. Since it's 4K now, it's not that bad. What? This car got in front of me, bro. The homie's talking to him right now. Trying to figure out I'm just trying to ride with this guy right now, to be honest, because everyone do this. There's so much traffic everywhere. Like, this is not even bad right now. This is just slow traffic. Dang, this is like a lame. Vibes. Yo, are you going to the meet still?
Oh, dude, that's hot right now. Everybody's doing it. I'm trying to find a fucking spot to tell everybody where to go.
Why is my quality so weird? Like, here, let me try to clean this. He's asking to rev it. Oh, he can. I guess he's trying to keep it low key right now. I'm so happy we're doing circles right now. We're like trying to find hot spots right now, bro. Oh wait, is it better now? Bro, what? My phone quality is messed up. I think I'm gonna try to make this video a little bit shorter just because. Oh, fuck, bro, that looks fucking lit. Yo, I hope you guys love this video, bro. Nighttime POV with the Lambo, that's the move, bro. In downtown LA, bro. I never freaking come here, dude. I'm so happy I pushed myself to like connect to people. Like, I don't want anything from these guys, bro. I just want to vibe, you know what I mean? Like, my car's, it's not slow, you know what I mean? Like, it's decent. Oh, yeah, that's way bad. I need to take out for sure the sticky note. Basically, I'm just gonna cut out all the dead parts where nothing's happening. I never thought I'd have a crew like this, I'm gonna be honest. Oh my gosh, you hear that turbo sound amazing. Oh my gosh, oh yeah, that's the, wait no, is that the second highest? I can't tell if that's the second highest or not. Oh my gosh. I'm so blessed to meet these guys, bro. So humble. Wait, what the fudge? There's a hole. Is that Audi R8? I can't tell. I literally cannot. No, that's definitely Audi R8, bro. That's an R8. Bro, I lost storage on my phone. I don't know how much more I'm gonna be able to record. I do have my work phone, but dude, is that Audi R8? I think it is. I literally still cannot tell. Let's go. We're dipping out now. I don't know where we're freaking going now, but I want to try to keep up with this Lambo. I have no clue where we're going right now, but whatever. Oh yeah, there's LA. Baby, let's go. I guess I'll just follow the R8 now. How fast that R8? Dude, is that already R8 like twin turbo? Because it looks like it is, bro. Fudge, bro. So much going on. We're now heading to Beverly Hills, which is still a vibe actually. I think this might be like a 2 separate video just because, oh my gosh, there's a Lambo behind us. Yo, ocean. It's kind of dark now, but people like these nighttime POVs, so I guess we're gonna finish off. Yo, those sketch. Bro, the vibes. Pretty much every spot's getting busted, but hey, I'm still vibing. Bro, shit, this is sick. Look at me, I'm vibing with these people. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let me pull up next to these guys. I'm too good at this, bro. Since I know where to go, I'm kind of like, I'm not even tripping right now. I'm in the Hellcat. I gotta let them be in front of me. Dude, this guy shoots insane freaking flames. I wish he does it right now. Oh my gosh, you can hear it. This is lit, dude. I can't believe I'm riding with freaking exotic cars. I'm so, like, I need to get a Lambo, bro. I need to, like, I should have started YouTube once I had, like, a full-on business where I can buy a Lambo, like daily driven exotics type of vibe. You know what I mean? Because, like, I need a Lambo, bro. I need a Lambo so bad. Just the vibe with the Lambo, dude. It's like, it's such an aesthetic, man. It's like, I'm sure it's like part of the marketing scheme, like, because they make you like really want to get one, and it's like, you know, cars are a waste of money, but bro, it's just such a vibe, man. Like, how can you not say it's a vibe? I wish this was daytime so you actually see the cars better. Audi R8 to my, it's right next to me. Dude, I love the exhaust sound. It's so aggressive. The only thing I'm sad about, bro, is like after I put this valve muffler, it doesn't pop anymore. Damn, if you guys are watching the video right now, make sure you guys leave a like. I'm gonna try to be posting more POVs because honestly, guys, you guys like just me driving, which is kind of crazy in my opinion. He sees a gap, bro. I see the same exact gap as you, bro. I don't know if I want to chase you though, because this gap's, oh, it's open. It's open. Let's go. Left over here. Also, boys, I've been on a diet, bro. I've been on literally 1 meal a day type of diet. It's been hard, but you know, I have to do it, bro. I have to. I'm trying to get to my prime of my age, so I'm working as hard as I can to literally get there.